or what is antiderivative? So definition, a function f is an antiderivative of the function f on an interval I if and only if f prime of x or the derivative of x is equal to the function x for every value of x in the interval or I. So again, a function f is an antiderivative of the function f of an interval I if and only if prime of x or the derivative of x is equal to f of x for every value of x in the interval. Let's now have an example or examples. So for number 1, an antiderivative of f of x is equal to 12x squared plus 2x is, okay, what is the antiderivative of this one? So meaning, ang given nga function, imuha lang siyang i-add, addan lang nimo ang exponent og 1, no? To make it 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the f of x is equal to 4x cubed. Nganong 4 na lang man eh? Because kung pila gi-add nimo sa 2, 2 plus 1, mahimo siyang 3. Kanang 3, imo na siyang i-divide diri sa denominator, i-over nimo. So mahimo na siyang 12x cubed over 3. Di direct naman ko ang answer diri sa slide. So this will become 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So 4x cubed plus x squared. So kanang 2, isaka nimo sa, ang 1 na exponent, plusan lang nimo 1, mahimo siyang 2. Kung unsa ang imuhang answer sa exponent, mo to himuon sa denominator. So mahimo siyang 2 over 2, so mahimo na siyang 1. That is x squared na lang. So therefore, the antiderivative of f of x is 4x cubed plus x squared. Okay, what is the antiderivative or antiderivative of g of x equals cos x? So the answer is okay, g of x, capitalize lang ang function nga g for the small. So g of x is equal to sine x. This is the antiderivative of cosine x. So antiderivatives theorem, if f is a particular antiderivative of f on an interval I, then every antiderivative of f on I is given by f of x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So meaning any value for c, for arbitrary constant. So kung unsa ang given sa function, you just put plus c. I think some of you got the correct answer for antiderivatives of the given equations or functions. So take a screenshot for this very important theorem and remark. So for our remark, if function 1, f1, and f2 are antiderivatives of f, then f sub 2 of x is equal to f sub 1 of x plus c for some constant c. Okay, take a screenshot for that remark and theorem. We have terms and notations. Let's now have the definition of the given antidifferentiation. So when we say antidifferentiation, or this is na siya dapat I diri, wrong ang process of finding the antiderivative. So again, this is the process of finding the antiderivative. What is the sign of integral? So ang sign sa integral sign is this one. Mura siya S nga slant nga gibinat. No? Integral sign denotes the operation of antidifferentiation. So another important term for the antiderivative, if f is an antiderivative of f, we write this function. So integral of f of x dx equals f of x plus c. The next is integrand. So ang sulod sa integral, this one, kaning sign, this is integral sign. Kanang f of x, gitawag siya integrand. Integrand.
The integral of fx dx is
Okay, again, the general antiderivative of f is f of x plus c. Please, antiderivative of f is called a particular antiderivative of f. So, this is a particular antiderivative. Ang kada antiderivative, each antiderivative is called a particular. Let's now have an example for antidifferentiation. So, what is the integral of 12x squared plus 2x dx? So, the answer, so integral meaning you are going to add exponent. Di ba? Mo na ganiha, add ta 1. So, may mo siyang 2 plus 1, may mong 3. Ang 12, kung pila tong exponent ni mo nga 3, nga total, mo to i-divide nimo sa diri nga term. So, may mo siyang 12 over 3. That is why the answer is 4. So, 4x cubed. Plus, ang 2x, plusa na po nimo ang exponent. Since 1 ang exponent sa x, you just have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then you over the denominator, ang 2. That is why 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. X squared, mato na siya. So, since 1, automatically, wala na siya. Dili na kailangan ibutang ang 1. Then you write plus c. As what I have said, the general form for the antiderivatives, butangan siya plus any constant plus c. So again, what is the antiderivative of cos x dx? So the answer is sin x plus c. So that is for our antiderivative. How about dx? What if ang given dx only? What is the antiderivative or the integral? So just put, since dx automatic mayroon yang 1. Pero wala lang gisulat siya, apil. So to show that 1, that is 1 times dx. Ang buhaton, ipagawas ang 1. Then, ang derivative, antiderivative sa dx, na siya automatic nga x. Mag-add lang kag x plus c. So again, the integral of dx is x plus c. Another example. What is the integral of 3x squared dx? So for our solution, i-add lang ang exponent og 1. Mahimo siyang 2 plus 1, 3. Kung pila ang total, i-divide siya diri nga term. 3 divide 3, that is 1. So what is our answer? X cubed plus c. How about integral of x squared dx? The same process. Kung pila ang exponent, you add 1. Mahimo siyang 2 plus 1 is 3. So, i-over lang nimo sa denominator ang 3. Since wala siya i-divide, so meaning x cubed over 3. Or 1/3, no? 1/3 or x cubed over 3 is the same as 1/3 x cubed. Maura na siya value. Ang x over 3 over 3. X cubed over 3. The same lang sa 1/3 x cubed plus c. Again, if the integral of dx, ang answer na is always good x plus c. Theorem na yun na siya. Meaning, atuwa na siyang ma-show using the answer. Another theorem, if a is any constant, meaning any number, then af of x dx, ipagawas lang ang a, meaning ang number sa integral. Dayon ang function sa x, pabilin sa sulod, integrand. So another theorem. So again, if a is any constant, then the integral af of x dx is equal to a, meaning you just put the a outside the integral, then f of x dx. Another theorem, if f and g are defined in the same interval, then the integral of the given two functions, f of x plus and minus g of x dx, is equal to, so you just have to separate the integral of f of x dx, then we have plus and minus, you just put another integral sign of g of x dx. So this is another theorem. For the number 4 theorem, if n is an element of Q, meaning any number, and n is not equal to -1, then the integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to, as what I have said, you add the exponent, ang n plus ang lag 1, kung pila ang total sa exponent, maura to ibutang sa denominator, plus c. Let's proceed with the examples. What is the integral of x to the 5th dx? 5 plus 1, pila?
1, sir.
5x to the power of 6 plus c. Okay, example. Okay, what is the integral of 2 dx? Okay, so the solution 2, ipagawas ang 2, di ba? Muna siya ang katong sa theorem. Ipagawas sa ang 2, then integral of dx. Di ba? Ang integral sa dx sa theorem is x. So, iparis lang sa 2, the answer is 2x plus c. So, gibutangan pa lang diri og c1, automatic ra na siya 2x plus 2c1 or 2x plus c. Gidetail lang diri pagka solve, pero automatically di na ta mag-detail, diretso na lang 2x plus c. Ayaw gyud kali. How about this one? The integral of 3 over x to the 5th dx. Okay, so for this example, ang buhaton nato is ang x to the 5th, naaman siya sa denominator, you are going to transpose this one sa numerator, ibutang nato siya. So mahitabo, ang 3 nga sa numerator mogawas. Ang x nga positive 5 sa denominator, mahimo siyang negative 5. Mahimo siyang negative 5. So, ang buhaton na pod, plusan lang nato ang negative 5 ug 1. And what is the answer for that? You just put into the denominator. So, for our answer, what is negative 5 plus 1? 4. So, meaning 3x to the negative 4 over negative 4. So, mahimo siyang negative. Okay, this one. Since ang negative 5 plusan og 1, mahimo siyang negative 4 over negative 4 plus c1. So, gi-detailed na po siya pag-answer, gi-substitute, gi-distribute ang 3. So, 3 times x, 3 of, ang x to the negative 4, gi-transpose sa denominator. So, pagpagawas, mahimo na siyang x to the power of positive 4. Diba? Ang kanang 3, gibutang na po siya sa numerator. Nganong na may negative? Because ang negative 4 naman siya negative diri sa denominator. So, kanang negative diri, this one, muna siya gibutang diri. Ang 3, gibutang sa numerator again. Nganong na may 4 diri? Kay mao na siya ang iyahang denominator. Then, x to the 4th positive, kay gikan diri negative man. Plus 3c1. Or, negative 3 over 4x to the 4th plus c. Pwede na mawala ang 3. Katong c na lang diretso. How about number 4? The integral of 4u 3/4 du. So for the solution, you just have to put 4, this one, ang number before ang u. So kanang letter u, pwede na siya bisag unsa man gud ang letter sa dx. Pwede siya du, dx, db, d to the power of 4, u 3/4 du. So the 4 number here, the constant 4, will be put in outside of the integral. Then take u to the 3/4. Ang 3/4 plusan og 1, 7/4. Diba? 3/4 plus 1. Kaya mo nang i-add, common nila is 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 7/4. Kung pila ang exponent, mauna na siya ang denominator. 7 over 4. So our plus c, our final answer, ngano na himo man siya 16? Because kanang 7/4, imo siyang i-reciprocal para ma-times diretso ang 4, di ba? Balihon ani mo, ma-adto na siya dito sa taas ang 4, kaning 4 diri sa 7/4. i-times lang nimo siya sa 4 kini. So 4 times 4 kini siya is equal to 16. Copy lang ang u to the 7/4. So ang nabilin is 7 na lang. Kini plus c. So this is now our answer. 16u to the 7/4 over 7 plus c. Example number 5. What if the integral of x cubed, what is the integral of x cubed plus 1 over the square root of x dx? So ang buhaton, there are two terms. So gibulag-bulag man to sa theorem, di ba? Nato siya fx plus gx. So for this one, ibulag nato ang x cubed, integral of x cubed dx plus the integral of 1 over the square root of x. Remember nga ang square root of x is equal to x to the 1/2, di ba? Ang kanang square root 1/2 ang iyang exponent. Then ngano mang nahimong negative ang exponent? Because sa denominator manggod ang square root of x. Balikan ng square root of x, x to the 1/2. Pag transpose into the numerator, pagbalhin niya, mahimo siya negative 1/2. Then mo na yung i-simplify. So what is the integral of x cubed? Ang buhaton, mag-plus lang kag 1 sa exponent. So x to the 4th, kung pilang exponent, mauna po to ang denominator. So this is x to the 4th over 4 plus c1. Plus, kanang x to the negative 1/2, plusan og 1. Diba? 1 plus negative 1/2, that is positive 1/2. Diba? Ang 1 minus ag 1/2, 1/2 na lang. So, over 1/2 plus c2. Kanang 2 na po nato diri sa 1/2, wala man siya number before. So, automatic na lang siya, muadto siya sa numerator, i-transpose lang, i-reciprocal. So, 2 times 1, wala man siya diha, so 1. So may mo siyang 2 times 1, 2. Therefore, our final answer, x to the 4th over 4 plus 2, kay kaning giingon ako nga denominator niya nga 1/2, ang 2 mo adto siya dire. So may mo siyang plus 2. Then ang x to the 1/2, basta 1/2 ang exponent, automatic equal siya sa square root of x. So square root of x. Wala na siya denominator because 1 na lang man ang mabilin, di ba, sa 1/2. Since 1 considered na ang denominator 1, dili na siya ibutang. Plus, combine na lang ang constant or c. That is equal to plus c. About this number 7. The integral of t, 2t minus 3 square root of t dt. So again, as what I have said, any number variable pwede siya ma-change. Katong dx, pwede siya t, pwede u, basta a, b, c, d, up to z. Pwede siya ma-change ang katong sa x. Ang x, so the integral of 2t squared, nganong na 2t squared minus 3t 3/2? Because naman good siya t diri, imo siyang i-multiply isa-isa. Using distributive property, t times 2t, may mo siyang 2t squared. Kay ma-add man to ang exponent 1 og 1, so may mo siyang 2t squared. Minus 3t, since again, ang square root sa t, that is 1/2. Di ba? Ang square root sa t is 1/2. Ang 1/2 plusan og 1, kaya naman siya 1 nga t diri. So mo siyang gito na answer is 3/2. So the integral of 2t squared minus 3t 3/2 dt. Then transpose into the integral of 2t squared. You just add the exponent 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Kung pila ang exponent total, automatic siya sa denominator. Then kaning 2, wala naman gipakita nga gipagawas, automatic na lang siya. Diretso na siya 2t cubed over 3. Minus 3, kani siya. So ang buhaton diri sa 3/2, mag-plus ka diri 1 para ma-integrate. So 3/2 plus 1 is 5/2. Siyang 5/2. Then the next procedure is you have to add c. Kanina po ang problem na to kay na 5/2 sayon ra kay na ato walang i-times ang denominator nga 2, diri na pud siya sa 3 times. So our answer, copy lang ang 2t cubed over 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6. Copy lang ang t to the 5/2 over 5. Kay 5 na lang may nabilin. Kay katong 2 diri gi-times sa 3. plus c. So this is our answer for number 7. Note, integral t to t minus 3 square root of t dt is not equal to t dt times 2t minus 3 square root of t dt. So meaning, kung number 8. Okay, number 8. 3x squared plus 1 over x squared. What is the integral? So for the solution, okay, di ba kanang x squared divide x squared makancel? Mahimo na lang siya diri og 3 plus ang 1 over x squared, atong i-transpose ang x squared padulong sa numerator, mahimo siyang negative 2. So therefore, 3 plus x negative 2 dx. Then transpose, get the integral. So ang 3, ang integral sa 3 affects the x, kay ma-integral man siya sa dx. So 3x. Then kanina pong x to the negative 2, plusan nimo og 1. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So meaning, x to the negative 1 over negative 1. Okay. X to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Kanina po natong i-simplify, dapat kanang negative 1 ug 1, pwede na siya mawala ang 1, ma-change na to ang sign nga plus, mahimo siyang minus. Okay, mahimo siyang 3x minus 1 over x. Ngano man naabot man sa denominator ang x? Because ang x diri is negative 1. So para ma-transpose into positive, ibalhin siya sa denominator para ma-positive x. Kanang 1 diri mawala na, kanang plus og negative, inig i-times na nimo, mahimo muna siyang negative, so mo nang ma-minus na ang plus sign. This is now our answer for number 8. Okay? Note, the integral 3x squared plus 1 x squared dx is not equal, dili siya equal kung imo siyang ibulag-bulag. I-integrate nimo ang numerator o denominator, dili siya equal. Mo check.